Welcome to NC7 Parkham. Speak English naturally, without thinking. Just listen, repeat, and let it flow.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes? What is it?
I'm looking for the post office.
The post office. Oh, it's straight ahead, then turn left at the traffic light. Lift. At the first traffic light? No, the second traffic light. Then you'll see it on your right. It's next to a small cafe. Ah, okay. Second traffic light, then right. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a good day.
Here's another fun little dialogue about the same topic. Let's see how it goes.
Excuse me? Can you help me?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the market. Is it far?
No, not far. Go straight, then turn left at the big tree.
Oh no. Straight and left. I'm so bad with directions.
No problem. Just walk straight for 2 minutes. Then you'll see a very tall tree. Turn left there. It's right behind the tree.
Ah, a tall tree. Okay, I understand now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice speaking.